You'll never have another problem with it.
Okay.
Yeah, I've seen people replace starters and all that stuff.
All right.
It'll do that with a new.
Good morning, everyone. It's Saturday. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna pull the motor in Alfonso. It needs a rebuild, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I gotta ship it off. So here's the process. I'm gonna take out all the bolts, drop it. I'm gonna try to make it more or less a long block, stripping everything off of it, and then we're gonna go ahead and take it, disassemble it. All right, so first I'm gonna go ahead and take the bumper off. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the brackets on, and we'll kind of go that route. I'll see if I can do this. Normally just pull the bumper.
It's going.
Gone, you know? All right, everybody, so the motor is out. I stripped most of the stuff off it. I'm trying to make it easier for the rebuilder. So I don't know if still trying to find out from him. I might pull the oil cooler off, alternator stand. I'm gonna leave, he said I could pull the distributor out, but I'm gonna leave that in there so we can time it to that distributor, and I might be pulling the fuel pump. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. I'm gonna go ahead and do the front windshield, so I gotta put the gasket on that, seal on it, and then we're gonna try to pop that in real quick. So hopefully that goes smooth. We don't want any more dilemmas with windows. So that's it. Hey everyone, well, for my birthday, I got a bunch of CIP gift cards, so I used them. So Alfonso has some new stuff. Let's see what we got here. I tell you, I ordered this, and I got these, literally no joke, within 2 days, maybe, yeah, 2 days. It was DHL Express. All right. All right. All right. So what we got here is piston and cylinder kit, 87 millimeter. So this is the AA brand. So the Molly brand, I hear mixed emotions about them. So obviously the Mollies are forged. These ones are aluminum. I was on Samba, and everyone's recommending these versus the Mollies. The Mollies were recommended for like performance motors, bigger motors. For longevity, this is what I found to be best. But who knows? I don't know. I mean, I'm sure everyone's gonna have their own opinion. So we'll see. So anyway, that's for the engine rebuild. Let's see what we got in here. Sure do take these well. Let's see. Sure have this one wrapped very well, like a package within a package. All right. So this is a left side window trim for the bus. I ordered one through J-Bugs, and it was on back order, and it's getting close to the no-do, and I didn't want to wait any longer, so I wind up going through CIP. Although it was $20 more through CIP, they did have it in stock, so I just went with it. I don't mind CIP or J-Bugs, they're both good. I have no issues with either or. All right, so I got the German gasket kit for the engine rebuild for Alfonso here. So we get that. I got a new oil sump cover with the nut. We got that. The other nut on the sump cover, I don't know if the guy went ahead and put like a Loctite on there. It is not coming off. I also got another gland nut. I figure, why not, right? New gland nut. Spark plugs. New box spark plugs for the build. I got the muffler exhaust kits with the clamps and all that jazz. We got the muffler exhaust. We got a lock washer for the gland nut. And I also ordered the seal for the sliding cargo door here. So I couldn't believe how much that was. It's over $100 for that thing. $125 I think. So, and like I said, then we got the exterior trim, so I can go ahead and start working on that. So I have more parts on order. So I'll be taking the engine over up north to get it worked on. So we're gonna go ahead and split the case, and then I'll go ahead and decide what we need from that point on. Obviously, I'm gonna need bearings. So we'll go ahead and take it apart, see what we're dealing with in the internals. Hopefully, I don't need any rods or anything like that. So that's what this package has today. All right, so I'm gonna pack this up. I got an appointment this week to bring the motor over to a buddy of mine. He's been building engines since 1962, so he's very old school when it comes to this. So I don't know on some of these parts. Maybe he's still not too keen on these pistons yet. So some of us says one thing, but it's tough to break old school habits. But a lot of parts have kind of gone poor quality. So we're gonna try these out and kind of see what goes on. So stay tuned. We're gonna have some engine build for you. I'll get some pictures for you, and I just want to get some old school knowledge on how to do these engines. Maybe I could build one myself. So, because I got that secret project I'm gonna be showing you guys here soon-ish, maybe. Once Alfonso's on the road, we'll go ahead and we'll get you some pictures and video here. I'm excited. The wife hasn't even seen it, so this could be good or bad. So stay tuned, and this week you're gonna have some engine shots. Take care, guys.